Okay, so quick timeline update. It's the same day as I got the M4 aligned. I literally just got back. So I finished my whole part out 2 days ago. Yesterday I sold every single part off my car in one day except for the coilovers. Today I got my car aligned. It's perfect. It's ready to sell. It is 100% buttoned up. Drives amazing. Now, same day, you already know by the title what's going on. I can't help myself. We're about to go pick up a new whip, and I'm like really excited about this one. Unlock, there we go. All right, we got this truck. Now we gotta go around back, get the trailer, and then we are out. All right, we got the trailer hooked up on the truck. Just got on the highway. Now it's about a 2.5 hour drive. I'm all alone. I just didn't want it to bring anybody because I didn't want to tell anybody. Nobody has any idea I'm picking this up right now. It was like a literally last minute thing. I just found it last night and made a deal with the guy last night, like at 11 p.m. at night. So this is all spur of the moment stuff. But yeah, here we go, 2.5 hours on the road and no aux cord to play my music. So this is gonna be fun. Got about an hour left to go. The radio hasn't been too bad, so it's actually kind of been nice to just be alone. It's actually kind of been really nice to just be alone and just me, the truck, and the road. It's like very soothing. I'm enjoying it. All right, I'm pulling up to the house now to get this car. I'm not gonna film while I'm there. I'm just gonna get it and I'll show you guys when I get back. All right, I've got the car. That's all you're gonna see, at least until we get home. So the dude I bought it from is actually really freaking cool. I'll go ahead and put his Instagram in right here. Like super cool dude. He has an E36 there that was really tight that I didn't film, but if you want to see it, you can go ahead and follow him. He also is building an S14, and he said he's doing an RB25 swap, so that's pretty freaking sweet. And he was mentioning something about possibly getting into YouTube, but not, you know, something like that. So he's doing an RB25 S14 swap, and he's got a stance E36. So everyone should go message him on Instagram and tell him 100% start that YouTube channel, because if anything, I'm trying to see it. So, and now we've got a 2.5 hour drive back home. So at least I got some good company this time. Okay, we've ran into a slight issue. I was on the turnpike going back south, about an hour away from home, and there was really bad traffic all of a sudden, probably like an accident or something. So my GPS told me to get off and take a couple roads and then get back on the turnpike later. So I got off, started taking a couple roads. My phone died midway. Luckily for me, I'm smart and I remembered all this stuff. So I actually found my way back to the turnpike, no problem. And there was a cop there blocking turnpike, said, "Can't go on the turnpike." So now I'm stuck. I don't know where I am. I don't have a charger. My phone is dead. And I'm trying to read these signs to see where I go, but I just want to get home. I've decided that I'm going to stop at the next gas station I find and see if I could go buy a cable to charge my phone, because honestly, I'm not going to find my way home, okay? I'm going to be a lost kid with a freaking car and a U-Haul truck in the middle of nowhere, and I'll have to fend for myself and kill tigers and stuff to survive. What the hell is this? Okay, what, you hear this? There's someone's phone right there, bro. There's someone's phone right there ringing this whole time. What the hell? So this whole ride up, there's 2 or 3 times where like there'd be a weird little like beat playing like that, and I couldn't find out what the hell it was. And I just heard it now, and I looked right on the floor, and there's a phone right there. There's actually like someone left their phone in the U-Haul truck. What the hell? Alright, so I got a charger. I'm just gonna wait for it to charge before I go anywhere. We're back on the road, finally. I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the house and get this car unloaded. So I'm finally home. I just unloaded the car, put it in my garage. I'm super tired. It's dark out, so I'm not gonna show you the car now, but I'll show it to you guys in the morning, which for you guys is 2 seconds. But for now, I really need to get some sleep, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's gonna be sick, cause this car, I took it around the block. It's freaking sweet. Even my dad likes it, so. Okay, it's actually 2 days after. Yesterday I just wanted to clean up the M4, so I washed it. I vacuumed it, you know, made sure there's nothing on it. I mean, it's spotless now. It's just completely clean. The wheels are perfectly clean. I mean, it's ready to go. So I won't be driving it much anymore. I'm just gonna let it sit here just so it stays in perfect condition, nothing happens. On the other hand, right behind me is the new car that I picked up. It was last minute. I drove a total of 7 hours, I think, to get it. I'm really, really excited for this. So here goes the big reveal. Yeah, so here she is. 92 Nissan 240SX. It has a Sylvia front end on it. And it's really clean. Like, paint is perfect. Everything is perfect. It has mirror tint on it, which is like my favorite part. So baller. OEM everything. I mean, it's really just, this is a good looking car. The mirror tint is just so sick. Inside, all OEM. It doesn't have a dash in right now, but I've got plenty of dashes back here, and there's also some in the trunk. But here's everything. I mean, it's pretty clean. I got it for a good price. Here. Here's some more dash stuff. I mean, I have everything. Like, we're gonna put this sucker back together. Everything works. I mean, it's literally, it's just, I can't believe I picked this up, bro. I literally just can't believe I picked this up. So, I'll tell you a little bit about the car. I already said 92 Nissan 240SX. It's got the Sylvia front end. I mean, it's really clean too. Like, everything is perfect on it. The paint, like the actual paint itself, is like really, really, really nice. Like, it's just, look at that shine. You can see that shine. Really nice. Are a few areas like this up here. It has some rust, but it's nothing anywhere near my old car. I think we'll be able to fix that up, no problem. This actually is an automatic sunroof, and it works, and I'll show you that in a little bit, which is really, really cool. It also has a heads-up display right there. Doesn't have a dash in it or anything, so that doesn't work at the moment, but I mean, it's sweet. It's so sick. So we'll go ahead and pop the hood here. Ugh. Stock KA. It's literally so stock, it's actually insane. Like, look, all these little bolts and stuff. I mean, it's just, it's like, I can't even believe it. Like, you don't find them like this. It's perfect, everything's there. It runs really good, starts up right away. Drives smooth, the transmission's good. I mean, it is sweet, man. Super sweet, no like massive dents. Here's another spot for the rust. Probably just cut that whole thing out for the over fenders that I'm gonna put on. And then the last spot that there's rust is right here. But it's actually only on the rear bumper support. So if I unbolt this, there's no rust under there. The mirror tint is just so cool. So different. So there's a little rip right here. It's honestly not bad at all. Let's get in it. No dash in it. Some cracks up here. The windshield's cracked right here. And it's got like a nice fat chunk right here taken out. But, I mean, it's clean. 5-speed manual. AC doesn't work. Radio doesn't work. But it's got the door panels in it. It's got carpet in it. This seat looks really nice. The back seats look really nice. The whole headliner looks nice. All the lights work. The sunroof works. Here, I'll start it up. Ignition. The seat belts do this cool thing. They work. It's pretty freaking sweet. So go ahead and turn it on. Turns on right away. 5-speed. Has a short shifter too. The handbrake works as well, which is pretty sweet. So look, here's the sunroof. Sunroof, click that. It all works. It's pretty insane. Got this right here, mirror, mirror. I mean, the lights work. This one too. These work. It's pretty insane how like well kept this was. Oh, the AC, it does have AC, I guess. It's blowing cold too. That's new to me. I was told that it doesn't have AC, and that felt kind of cold. But it probably does. It's probably not really working that well, but I mean, I didn't even think it turned on, so that's pretty sweet. That's a bonus right there. There's some change in here. I haven't even looked around the car yet. Like I haven't opened this. There's nothing in there really. There's like some stuff. Oh, there's another key right here. Okay. That's 3 keys I have. There's some more change in there. Made my money back with all this change. There's like a shift knob and some other stuff in there. Some screws. That's pretty much it. If anyone's curious what mirror tints look like from the inside, it's nothing really. Let's go take this thing for a spin around the block. The guy said this clutch is pretty new too, so it feels really good. I mean, dude, it drives so good. Goes through all the gears. Super, super smooth. Has power steering. I'm steering this with one hand right now. It's so, so sick. I'm so hyped on this. It honestly, it drives really, really well. Super easy. I don't have to try or anything. This thing is a gem. I'm so hyped on it. It's so loud too. There's no muffler or anything. So I'm like really, really hyped on this. I could not be more excited. All is left to do now is sell that M4 and buy a truck, and we're looking good. I'm really excited. If any of you guys are interested in that M4, it's for sale. 50,000, completely stock, and I left the M Performance steering wheel and all the carbon goodies on the inside, and it also has some nice grippy tires in the back. It starts up perfect, no rattles, there's nothing, everything is perfect on that car. Like, I kid you not. Come check it out if you live down in South Florida. If you're serious, don't, hit me up to give it a joyride. But it's all good to go, I promise you. So definitely hit me up. Instagram's the best way to reach me if you are interested in buying that car. Now for this car. I've been thinking about what to do with this car. Obviously, I want to drift it. It's supposed to have an LSD in it, but I tried to break the tires loose a couple times already, and it seems to have a hard time locking. So I'm probably going to open that up and weld that so I can start drifting. We got to get this dash fixed in here. We've got to get the taillights working because they don't work right now. Then, of course, we got to make it look nice. Body kit, wheels, coilovers, all the suspension goodies. I got this KA already. I want to turbo it, like some cheap eBay turbo thing. Just have some fun, blow it up, whatever, and then I'll swap like some other cool engine in it. But just for the time being, it'd be really fun to just have like an obnoxious turbo KA. And they're supposed to make pretty good power too. No big deal. The point of it is to have fun and to blow it up like so. Not really worried about an eBay kit. It is what it is. I'm going to have some fun with it. We'll do something with this interior. I want to put a cage in it, fat hydro. This interior is like not that bad, so like I kind of don't want to get rid of it, but at the same time, I want to just full send and build a drift car. So we've got some thinking to do. Let me know what you guys think. Now that you've seen the car, what are some good ideas? Pitch me some ideas what to do. All I know is I'm going to have so much fun. It's just something about it. It's just so like raw and just fun. It's just fun. So that's gonna wrap this video up. If you liked it, leave a fat thumbs up. Also leave a comment below. Let me know what you think I should do with this car, because I have some ideas, but I'm not completely sure, and there may be some people out there who've worked on 240s before and know a little more about me and what's good, what's not good to do. So definitely let me know. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram's goodone26, and subscribe if you haven't already, because this is just the beginning. Just got this car. I'm super hyped. Like, we're going all the way with this one. And on that note, I'll see y'all next time.
Why they wanna be me? It's not what it seems. Running to the bank, putting wet on my Achilles. We been thumbing blue faces like they Washingtons. On a run from MIA up to Washington.